Okay, so now I will telling you about what is slipper clutch, how to use it, when to use it, and what it is made for. So as the name suggests, slipper clutch, it lets the clutch slip when you downshift at a lower RPM, when you downshift from a higher gear to a lower gear. So for example, let me just demonstrate you. So I am in like now 4th gear, doing speeds of 40 at 4000 5000 rpm. All of a sudden I see some obstacle in the front and I simply downshift and let go of the clutch. So as you see, I didn't feel any jerk. The slipper clutch took care of it. It kept the clutch engaged while engagements kind of pressed, while the speed of the bike and the speed of the engine matched, so you don't feel any kind of jerk. If this would have been a normal bike without a slipper clutch, the proper way of doing this would have been press the clutch, climb the rails and then drop the gear. This would have been the method. But if you have a slipper clutch on board, you don't have to take care of these things. Whenever you feel like you need some power, need to overtake some instant power, need to overtake someone, just drop the gear, let go of the clutch and you're all good to go. Let's test some accelerations. No issues, you see, no drugs. The slipper clutch took care of those things. Make sure you like the video if you found this video useful. If you don't, please feel free to share your opinion in the comment section below. Till then, ride safe, always wear a helmet while riding, and that's it.